Are you looking for the best electric bikes under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best electric bikes under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. We have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Swagtron Swagcycle EB5. Swagtron's Swagcycle combines a compact design with a longer than average range and a manageable weight to make it the best all-around e-bike for around $500. It weighs a very carryable 37 pounds thanks to an aluminum alloy frame and smaller 14-inch wheels, and folds down to just a third of its total size. Swagtron smartly designed a handle into the top bar that makes it easy to pick up and carry after folding it in half via the hinge on the top bar. The EB5 has a surprising amount of power for its small compact size. Though it lacks multiple gears and only has a single power assist speed, its 250-watt rear-mounted motor is capable of reaching brisk top speeds of 15 miles per hour while ascending inclines of up to 30 degrees, far greater than any other bike you're likely to encounter. Its 36-volt 7.5 amp-hour lithium-ion battery will allow you to travel up to 15.5 miles on a single charge and is also removable, making it easy to charge while at the office. The Swagtron will also fit most riders, thanks to a wide range of adjustments for both the seat and handlebars. Number 2. Jetson Bolt-Up Adult Electric Ride. Jetson sets their Bolt-Up electric ride on apart from the competition with an attractive design, powerful motor, and surprisingly lightweight overall. The Jetson manages to remain light thanks to an aluminum alloy frame and smaller 14-inch wheels, and still sports an energetic 350-watt motor. With its all-black finish and curved frame, the Jetson is one of the sleeker e-bikes you can buy for under $500. The bike weighs just over 40 pounds, has a set of handlebars that fold down, and includes a convenient built-in carrying handle, making it one of the more portable e-bikes on the market. However, it is important to note that only the handlebars will fold down, which makes it less compact than e-bikes that fold at the top bar. The Jetson can reach a max speed of 15.5 miles per hour and offers multiple speed options, which are easy to control via a twist throttle on the handlebars. It's powered by a 6-hour battery that gives it a maximum range of 13 miles, which is a bit on the low end for bikes at this price point. Other notable features include large disc brakes on both wheels for plenty of stopping power, a large bike seat, and a bell for alerting pedestrians. Number 3. Ancheer Folding Electric Bike. This folding-powered e-bike from Ancheer is characterized by the arc shape of its top bar and lower bar, which Ancheer says was inspired by the shape of dolphins. In addition to its marine mammal looks, it also happens to be one of the faster e-bikes at this price point. With its 350-watt motor, it can reach speeds of up to 20 miles per hour, which puts the Ancheer a significant step up from the 15 miles per hour speeds most e-bikes under $500 are capable of reaching. Its small 12-inch wheels also make it one of the more compact e-bikes on the market, though you should expect to feel more of the road than you would on an e-bike with larger wheels. Its 36-volt 6-amp-hour battery gets a maximum range of 15 miles, which is about average for an e-bike at this price. Just keep in mind that it's designed for mainly flat terrain. Ancheer says it can climb moderate slopes over short distances. In addition to its high top speed, the Ancheer comes with cool smart features not found on all bikes. When you connect it to an app, you can set speeds, lock the motor for security, track mileage and travel time, and run a diagnostic test. Number 4. Sailnovo 14-inch Electric Bike. With its large 10.4 battery, this e-bike from Sailnovo has a longer range than most under $500 e-bikes. It's capable of covering 28 miles in full e-bike mode or up to 45 miles with pedal assist, which is far greater than the 15-mile average of other budget e-bikes. It's also one of the more comfortable under $500 e-bikes. The Sailnovo comes equipped with a large cushion seat that's designed with a high-density foam sponge in the middle for better shock absorption. The Sailnovo e-bike comes equipped with a 450-watt motor that allows you to reach speeds up to 18.6 miles per hour. This e-bike also has 3 riding speeds, giving it more versatility than other sub-$500 e-bikes. Speed controls are located conveniently on the right handlebar along with an LCD display that shows your current speed, battery life, and trip information. A headlight and horn can be operated from the left side of the handlebars. While the Sailnovo is faster and has a longer range than most e-bikes that cost under $500, its larger battery and more powerful motor make it a heavier bike with a total weight of about 50 pounds.